Hello parents, this is Mr. Rodriguez. I'm going to teach you how to access your math resource for your child. You will go to the students portal by going to dayschools.net, clicking here where it says students, then a next page, the page will appear, and you're basically going to scroll down and click login to student portal. Once there, you're going to put your child ID number, student ID number, and the password. You click login and you're going to see your child portal. You're going to scroll down, but it says class schedule. Going to see next to the mathematics subject a little icon. You click that little textbook and going to take you to the Think Central website, the one that we're using. All right, here you have three options. The one that we're going to use first is my library. Click there, please. And in here, you're going to see all the resources that you have available for your child. Usually I start the lesson here, math on the spot video. Let's click in there. And we have the grades. We click third. And after that, we click chapter 12. Then we have the lessons. We can click any lesson and we have the video available for us to watch. You can put it bigger here and the volume here. Okay, here is the textbook. You can click here and the textbook page will appear, and basically at the left side here you have the content table. Okay, chapter 12 in here, that's the one that we're doing. So you can click there in the lesson and it's going to take you directly to that lesson. Here at the top you have the go to page option. You can type whatever page you want to go and then you can press the arrow and you will go to that page. Let's take a look here, but it says things to do. Here is the lessons assignments that I give an assessment. These are the assessment actually or evaluations that your child have to do. You click in there, click again, and here is the how to take a test page. You read everything, you make sure you know how to do it. Okay, there's another link here that you can press for more help with other test features, and then here start the test. So you click there and your test is going to start. So basically this is the way to access the math resources. If you like to see your scores, you click in here, and it's very simple after that. Thank you for watching.